are now in a new little area. Chong's way back here. There you go. We're gonna venture on down this way. Whenever he gets through with these sticks. Come on, Chong. Chong, come on. Come on, Chong. Alright. The grass is a little deep. But it is a nice little secluded area. Kind of away from the rest of the world. That is between some houses. And it seems very cool over here. They got all this thing, it looks like they're bringing some lumber down. It is a cool looking area. He's just alerting in the area. I'm hoping I don't sit there and get my legs bit off. Alright, I'm taking a picture of right before the storm starts. Over here is nice and bright. It's a little darker here. A little darker here. And just keeps sprawling out this way in the dark. Then over here it's slowly coming this way. And some exciting things today. And all the perfect little houses that way. Very quaint. Okay, we are looking for signs of life on this 4th of July. We're looking for a chip, a dale, or a bird, or a rabbit, or something somewhat fun. Okay, me and Chong found a new trail. It's supposed to be a new nature walk. I was hoping to find some kind of interesting animal, but it is a beautiful area. I do hear birds in the mist. They do have really unique birds in these reservations. But sometimes they come out, sometimes they don't. So, I don't know what to say. I guess it is what it is. But Chong, he's had 2 water breaks. We walked quite far out because I was trying to find a new area. My brother and me soon will be scouting new locations together. Just to liven up things for everybody. See, he wants to go all deep in here. I already got like 20 mosquito bites from yesterday. I'm not trying to get any more mosquito bites. I think they're trying to bite me through my pants. Watch out for the mosquitoes. Okay, we're here at a different spot. The river goes another way, and it's another trail. It's really pretty. And here's Chong looking ahead. He's always up for adventure. He's an adventurous dog. It's getting kind of late, so I'm trying to get as much footage as I can before it gets too dark. But it's really pretty. I haven't seen one critter, but I found new areas. I don't know, maybe we'll get a deer on the way back, who knows. There's a lot of deer around here, they just just don't like humans, I guess. And the mosquitoes are just eating me alive. They're feasting on my blood and I'm all covered up. You can see the water going that way. It's very